Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Kai. I do videos pertaining to wellness, positivity, travel, and mental health. I have a awesome recipe to share with you guys. I fluctuate in my weight all the time because of carbs and sugar, and I just want to share with you guys this smashing recipe. So if you guys want to see how to make these pancakes, then let's get right into it. These are the ingredients that we're going to need. I did forget an ingredient, and they were eggs. So first we're going to start off with half a cup of oats, and we're going to put that in our blender, a banana, 2-3 eggs, and we're just going to crack those bad boys right into our magic bullet or your blender. Now I'm going to add some flax seeds. These are perfect for fiber. Add some ground cinnamon. And then Himalayan salt. I'm going to put the cover on there and wait until it just blends. And once it's super emulsified and blended, it should look a little something like this. It does have like this thick consistency. Now go ahead and go on your skillet, and we're going to add some coconut oil. I love this because this is a healthier alternative. Just add a little bit of rounds onto your skillet, and I do have a little hack. You're going to get a spoon and round that out for round and perfect pancakes. We're just going to repeat the steps until we are finished with the batter. And you see here there's grill marks, and I don't want to waste that space, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the batter on this side. Once it's ready and a little bit dry on the top, we'll go ahead and flip these pancakes right on over. Pure maple syrup and just drizzle a light drizzle right on top. You can add berries if you'd like, and I didn't have any on hand, so I just sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon. Bon appetit! Well, since this channel is about mindfulness and mindful living, I like to just set my phone aside and just appreciate everything that's around me, being mindful in my surroundings, and just being grateful for my food. Occasionally, my fiance will buy me flowers, and they are stargazer lilies as well as roses. And if you don't have a significant other, well, girl, go get you some flowers because you deserve them. And if you guys like these types of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below as to what types of recipes or clean eating foods you like. Until next time, I will see you guys all soon. Bye.